Okay, when you get this type of question, right? First of all, find the, can be here A, B, C or anything, doesn't matter. First of all, find the upper bound and lower bound of these three uh, unknown value. First of all, they round off, no, these are, they tell what the A equal to 24.6 to the nearest first decimal place, right? Here, basic idea, upper bound and lower bound mean they round off this number 24.6. What can be the lowest number? They round off to this. Or what can be the maximum number? They round off to this. That's the basic idea, right? I have explained this in some other videos, so check those also. But here I will show you a quick method get to this one, right? What you need to do now, I will find the upper bound and lower bound of A, right? Okay, what you need to do, A here 24.6, no? Now here first decimal place, they write somehow they round off to first decimal place. So you need to think second decimal place has 5, right? That means now 24.6, when you have what I need to show you for any number, that's why I'm telling 24.6 mean here first decimal place, no? So you need to think like this, 0.0 like this. Second decimal place is 5, like that. Now you should add to this, this one you should add to this, get to upper bound. You should subtract this from this one, get to lower bound. Look, it will work. Now here if I add this, because why I thought this is the first decimal place, right? You need to think second one is 5, then other here will be 0, same like this place 0 decimal point and this one 0, only the second decimal place. Because why? First decimal place they given, they round off to nearest first decimal place. That's the thing. Now you can see here, I will show you again, then you can understand perfectly. Now here, let's say add 0.05 to this. So very simple, here will be 24.65. This is the upper bound of A, upper bound of A, right? Now I need to find the lower bound. How I need to find? Okay, I will show you doing that because that is a little difficult now. 24.6, subtract, subtract. Okay, I will do the very basic way, 0.05, right? This is the thing I need to add and subtract, right? Keep mind here first decimal place, we thought second one is 5, others are 0. Okay, now when you subtract here, what the answer? Here I need to bring 1 here and 10 subtract 5 mean 5, and here will be 5, so one brought to here, no? So that's why here 5, and then here will be 4, and here 24. Okay, now lower bound will be, what the lower bound will be 24.55. That's the lower bound, this is the upper bound, right? That's the idea when you have 6, right? Okay, I mean 24.6. Okay, now same way I need to do for this two also. Okay, I will show you doing that also. Now here for the B, right? For the B, if you thought here, here look, here we have 5.03, no? So what the number you should add and subtract? Here we think like this. So here we have second decimal place, to the second decimal place they round off. So that's why I need to get like this way. This is 0, even this is 0, 0, this is also 0, second decimal place. No, you need to get the third one has 5. Okay, this is the number you should add to this, get to upper bound. You should subtract this from this, get to lower bound. Okay, I will do that. Get to upper bound, 5.03, I will add 0.005, right? So what will be the answer? Here will be what the 5, 3, and then 0, and here 5. Okay, do it by you can use the cal and get the answer here if you need. Okay, then this is the upper bound. Okay, how to get the lower bound? Again, from this you need to subtract this. Very simple idea. Okay, I will do it like earlier. 5.03 subtract the 0.005. Okay, here will be 0. I will put the 0. Then let's see subtract. 1 come to here. 10 minus 5 mean 5. And here 2. And here 0. and here 5. So this is the lower bound for the B, right? I found the lower bound of B. Now let's find the upper bound and lower bound of 10. Here they 10 C equal to 10 to the nearest 10 also, right? So that's why now here C equal 10. 10 mean here actually you can think to the nearest unit place or yeah, unit, right? Here. So next here is the decimal point. Now here will be 5. That means you need to add here actually what the nearest 10 mean from, right? They round off to nearest 10, right? Here is the unit, here is the 10 place. So this one you need to think 5 then, right? I mean they round off to the 10, nearest 10. Here unit place, this is the 10, this is 100,000 like that, no? So here 10, that means here till to here they round off. So the next one you need to think 5. So here will be 5. Here is the decimal point. Here you need to add 5, just 5. Try to understand here nearest 10 and also the number also 10 they given. So to the round off to nearest 10, but the lowest number 5, maximum number 15 in other case. So here you should think they round off to nearest 10. So the next one unit place must be 5. Next one like we did earlier. Second decimal we thought third decimal place as 5. Here first decimal place, so that's why we thought second decimal place as 5. So like that, here nearest 10, near to the nearest 10, so we thought unit place is 5. Now we need to add this to this, so it will be 10 plus upper bound, 10 plus 5 means 15. So very simple, lower bound will be 10 minus 5 means 5. You need to subtract this number from this, get to lower bound. You should add this to get into upper bound. Like that we can get the upper bound and lower bound of these three. Okay, now they ask the upper bound of this. Now I wrote those A, B, C upper bound and lower bound here to get clear idea. Right. Okay. Now here they ask the upper value of this, upper bound of this. Now here idea upper bound mean what the maximum number you can get this. Now think here A divided by B, no, that means somehow you must divide A by B. Here you can put maximum number or lower number. Here also you can put maximum number or lower number. Upper bound or lower bound for A. For the B also upper bound and lower bound. Now get to maximum answer. Here somehow you should divide, no. This one should be maximum. This one should be lowest one. Then your answer will be maximum. In otherwise, if you put here lower one, other way think. Now if you thought A for the A, if you put lower value, for the B if you put bigger number, then your answer will be low answer. So get to bigger answer. If you can put big here any number, you need to put maximum, and this you must put here number anyway, right? So you must put here the lowest number for the B. Now, but you can't put any number. You can put one of this. Upper bound or lower bound of A, same for the B. So I will choose like this. For the A, I will put the maximum number which I can put for the A. What the maximum number we can put or upper bound of A? So it will be this. What the 24.65. What the lower number I could put for the B? I could put for the B this or this, but I must put lower number, get to a final answer here to become maximum. So I need to put here lower one, that means 5.025. I need to put. Try to understand, think normally. If you can put any number for A and B, any number, for example, any number, then you must put here maximum number for A. For the B, you need to put the lowest number. Get to a maximum answer here. That's the basic idea, right? Here, because these questions some are face very difficult. That's why I'm telling. Try to explain basic way. But they think here for any number if you can put for the A, but you must put a number. So For the A, you need to put the maximum one. For the B, you need to put the lower one. Then you can get the maximum answer. Big answer. Otherwise, no. Right? If you put here lower one, here bigger, then no. Or here lower, no. Here we have 4 combination we can put here. Maximum, upper bound, lower upper lower, lower. But here, if you need to get the maximum answer, this one must be, right, maximum, this one should be lower. Then your final answer will be maximum answer from all these 4 combination, right? That's the idea. Okay, now here they ask to write the answer to 3 significant figure. So this, after you divide this by this, your answer will be this. So I need 3 significant figures, so that's why I wrote the fourth one also, fourth significant figure, because I need to consider that. Now this is 5, so I must add 1 here. So our final answer will be 4.91. So this is the upper bound of this. Okay, now if you need to get here upper bound again, what do you need to do? Here you need to think more. Here from this you need to subtract this. Anyway, you must subtract. So if you need to get maximum answer for here, first of all, like earlier we did, here we need to get the maximum one. No. Now again here we need to do more thing, but still we need to get maximum one here. Get to maximum one, when you have subtraction, this one must be bigger, this one should be lower. You must make somehow this is lower, this is maximum. When you have subtraction to become maximum, this one maximum, this one lower. So I will write like this way. But for the A, I will put the maximum number, upper bound of the A. So this one, what the 24.65. Subtract 2, you can't change, no. That is a number, you can't change. So you must put that anyway. Then the B we can change. We can put maximum number or minimum, or I mean upper bound or lower bound. For the B, I need to put the lower bound, because then this subtraction will become lower. Then from this number we subtract lower value. So that's why I need to put for the B the lower bound. Lower bound is here for the 5.025. I mean the B lower bound is this. So I need to put that. Again, when you divide, like earlier we discussed, this must be lower, B must be lower bound, right? Here in this one, like that way, here C also must be lower bound, because lower bound of the C. When you have a number, if you divide by any other number, that number, if it is a lower one, then your final answer will be upper, maximum. Otherwise, if you put here bigger number, then your answer will be lower. So final answer after you divide. So that's why you need to put here for the C the lower one. So I will put for the C, or the lower bound, it is 5. So I will put here 5. Now if you apply this to calculator, your final answer will be exact answer, because they ask to write to 3 significant figure. So here answer also we will get to exact 3 significant figure, that means 2.92, right? That's the upper bound of the second question, this one.